Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I'm sharing an awesome idea for seamless differentiation during daily teaching. During the daily worksheets or booklets or any notes, at the end of it, you can add 3 barcodes. Each barcodes linked to resources tailored to different learning levels. So we categorize them as like approaching standard. This one is for those who need extra support to build foundational skills. Number 2 is meeting objectives. That's for those students who are ready to test their understanding with quizzes and activities. And number 3 is above objectives, for students who want advanced resources for deepen their knowledge. So basically for the approaching standard, you can link to video tutorial or a beginner's guide. Similarly, for meeting objectives, you can link to a Google form or quiz or any other interactive activities for assessment. And for above objectives, you can link to an advanced article or a project-based challenge. Now let me show you how to create a barcode which never expires and completely free of cost. So you can see here, this is Adobe Express free QR code generator. This is a very awesome service from Adobe and it never expires and it's very quick. You can continue with Google. I'm continuing with Google now. Here you just need to paste your URL. For example, I want my students to watch a video, so I'm adding one URL here. So just I'm going to paste it here and just click download, and that's all. So this is my QR code. I can save and I can insert in my worksheet. I tried it and found very useful. Please try and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.